gonna try to do this touring mode, sport mode, track mode, and then snow mode. And I'm going to do the, so that way you can see the T. Like right now you can hear it and it sounds good. Then I'm gonna do the outside too, so that way, you know what I'm saying, y'all know. And after like 4,000 RPMs, the exhaust really opens up. It really does. I'm gonna go videotape the outside sound. Changing it to sport mode right now. You can hear that difference. You can hear that difference already. Stand by. This is about to be the most beautifulest sound you've ever heard. I'm gonna do it from the inside, then I'm gonna go and put the camera outside. Beautiful, just beautiful. This parking garage just makes it sound beautiful. Am I cheating for exhaust sound? Maybe. I was going down this thing and they had a couple people walking. I was like, I had to tell a lady, I'm sorry. Oh my God. Baby, I got my hair, I don't know what the fuck you call it, my hair sleepy thingy dooey on because earlier in the motherfucker, I forgot to take it off. But look at track mode, here it go. Listen to it change. I'm gonna turn on track mode, and cause this is really like, it sounds the same, but it's different though. I hope y'all listening to it. It's real different. It's real different. You know what I'm saying? Shorter. Sounds like, you know what I'm saying, shorter throttle blips, and it goes way shorter. Like I blip that throttle for like 2 seconds, and it roars and when you got it in sport mode. But when you got it in track mode, it blips. It just wobble. You're gonna hear it. Watch this. I don't know if you can hear the difference between that, but when it changed, but listen to this. You know what I'm saying? That sport mode was way louder. Sounds so beautiful. I can sit there and hit it all day. Put it outside so y'all can hear it. Alright, now we're changing it from sport mode to snow mode. Wah, wah, wah. Nah, it's actually safe to drive it in snow mode because this thing has a lot of power and it will spin you right off the fucking road. I'm telling you right now. Tires at all times, most important thing on this car. Alright, changing the snow mode. You probably could hear that already. It's quiet, probably the same as touring mode, just very quiet. It's even more softer though, which is crazy. Seems kind of quiet. You know what I'm saying? Let's get out there and catch the rest of that though. See, it does open up. It's still in snow mode, but it opens up if you go like over 4,000 or 35. I think snow mode opens up a little sooner. I don't know. But I had a guy tell me that touring mode is faster than fucking sport mode and track mode. So, you know what I'm saying? No, I'll get the outside though. And that is all the driver modes: touring, sport, track, snow mode in the garage. Sounds fucking amazing. Hope y'all like and subscribe, smash that fucking like button. You fucking dig'ems.